Hi Kabayan, this is the way you do your beddings. First of all, put in your fitted sheet. Make sure all four corners are tucked in nicely. Then go ahead and add your flat sheet. Now here comes the tricky part. Make sure one side of the fitted sheet goes under the other side of the flat sheet. That way, when you fold down the top layer, it looks nice and neat. Next step, take your pillowcases and place them right next to each other. Fold back the top layer of the bed sheet to create a clean line. If you have two pillows, then fold back twice. Remember, char plus char equals chasit. Okay, now let's tuck everything in neatly. Smooth out any wrinkles or folds. Good night. Now let's get ready for the fun part. Grab your favorite throw blanket or quilt and drape it casually across the footboard. Add some decorative pillows for extra comfort and style. Don't forget to fluff them up before placing them. Lastly, arrange your regular pillows on both sides of the headboard. There you have it. A perfectly made bed. Now you can enjoy a good night's sleep knowing your room looks neat and inviting. So don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. And if you want more cleaning hacks and tips, make sure to follow me for more videos. I post new content regularly, so stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.